strictly for the birds. In the tropical forest of New Guinea live some very special birds. They come in all shapes and sizes and all colours of the rainbow. They are not good at singing. They are not good at building nests. They are not good at flying long distances. One thing they are good at, very good, is dancing. Once in a while, the birds gather for a special event, a dance competition. Six was small and black. He had 6 long feathers sprouting from his head. He loved dancing more than anything in the world. He was too shy to dance with the other birds, and they made fun of him. 6 was responsible for getting the dance floor ready. He removed all the leaves and twigs on the forest floor and decorated it with red berries that shone like lights. He also polished the branches with snake skin for the birds that liked to perform in the trees. The judges were all female. They did not dance, nor did they have colourful feathers. They were excellent judges and knew what moves the male should make to make the best scores. They chose the overall champion, the bird worthy of the glitter berry. The competition began. Each male bird took to the dance floor, or the special branches above it. They took it in turn. First went King. He was very fast. "Look at me!" Then Magnificent. He was very confident. "Look at me!" And finally Pink. He was very elegant. "Look at me." Many birds took part. Scores were close. The head judge looked at the list of contestants. "Is there anyone else who can dance?" There was a place left. Silence. Then 6 plucked up courage and took to the dance floor. He was tiny and black, but when he started to move, he could transform himself into all sorts of shapes. "I feel free." He swayed his head from side to side, and his 6 head feathers whirled around him, faster and faster. And other birds had never seen anything like it before. "Ooh, ah, amazing, lovely, fabulous." The judges were not sure what to do. Does it break the rules? How do we mark this? It's very exciting, though. They decided to have a popular vote and ask the audience who should win. It was finally decided, and 6 was given the Glitterberry Trophy. 6 shared the prize with all the other birds. It was delicious. They all celebrated and did what all birds of paradise do: dance.